Hey, kids. Today we're going to look at study jams for minerals, and it's a little bit different than anything we've done in the past. This is a slideshow, so I'm going to take you through it and point out some things, maybe. All right, so let me put myself over here. All right, you know that there are many different types of rocks, but did you know rocks are made of? They are made from minerals. Okay. And as we know, a mineral, oops, sometimes this goes really fast, so I apologize. A mineral is a naturally occurring element made in nature that is not a plant or animal, inorganic. Okay. Diamonds are the rarest of minerals. Okay. Many minerals form, remember, there are three ways minerals form. This is the first one: when hot liquid rock or magma cools or hardens into a solid. When magma cools, its molecules get closer together and they form crystals. Let me go back to that again. Also, another way is heat and pressure deep inside Earth can produce minerals. So that's two, and we're going to see the third one right now. Some minerals are formed with the help of water. Water is heated by magma, contains dissolved minerals. As it cools, they form crystals, and then you have evaporation, and that is the Great Salt Lake in Utah. Okay, scientists use many properties, and you've had this for a couple days: color, streak, luster, hardness, cleavage. Okay, some minerals come in many different colors, so scientists need additional properties to identify them. These are both quartz, totally different colors. Then we know we have, I think this is the next slide, pyrite um, and gold are the exact same color. So color is not a great property to identify with. Okay. So, oops, sorry guys. There we go. There we go. Another method of science uses streak, and streak is the color of the powder that's left behind when you take a mineral and you rub it across. It will kind of be like a bathroom tile, but it's not finished. It's real rough. Okay, so a rough white tile, or it's called a streak plate. So the mineral will have the same streak no matter what color it is. So back to that quartz example, when one's kind of pinky purpley and one's yellow, they would leave the same streak. Pyrite and gold are leaving different streaks. As it says, pyrite, also known as fool gold, has a greenish black streak. Okay, that's how you know if it is gold or not. Okay, another way. Oops, don't think I've lost it, guys. All right. Luster is another way and to identify a mineral, and that is how the mineral reflects light. Okay. Some terms they use for luster: glassy, so it looks like glass; metallic, which would look like a metal. Think of the silvery, like aluminum foil; pearly or waxy. Okay. So this is called talc. Talc is the lowest there is on Mohs scale, which we'll get to in a second. Talc is like almost a powder. Okay. So next. Okay. Hardness is another property, and that is how well the mineral resists scratching. Throughout all my years of teaching, people get this confused with streak. Streak is when you rub the mineral on a tile. Okay. Hardness is, can it scratch something or can something scratch it? And that's numbers are made and are measured on something called Mohs hardness scale, or Mohs scale, which runs from 1 to 10. So any mineral higher on the scale than something else can scratch it. So topaz here is an 8. It could scratch anything below that. A diamond is, what do you think? Scale goes from 1 to 10. Diamond is a 10. It can scratch anything below it. Okay, the next thing, and there's two terms that go together. One is called cleavage, and that shows how it breaks, or the planes. All right. See how flat that is? When the mineral breaks, it breaks along that flat surface. That is mica right there. So that would be called cleavage. The one when they break in jagged lines is called fracture. All right. There are other what they call special properties. That's what the book calls it. Like magnetism is one. You can see magnetite attracts pins. So we don't spend as much time as color, streak, hardness, and all of those, but there are different special properties. All right, we are back around. Hopefully those will help you answer the questions. Always remember density is a property too that they don't discuss, how much matter there is in a substance. Okay, hopefully this will help you answer the questions. Good luck.